Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. The Weller WLC 140 watt soldering iron kit is a reliable, budget-friendly solution for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced makers who need consistent heat and dependable performance. With 40 watts of adjustable power and a temperature range reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, this versatile soldering iron is built to handle a wide variety of projects, from stained glass and jewelry repair to electronics and home DIY tasks. Rated highly for ease of use, 4.25/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.75/5, the WLC 100 has been trusted for years for its durability and steady heat output. The included SC3 tip is ideal for larger soldering projects, producing fast and even heat transfer. For more detailed or electronic work, you can easily swap to a narrower, interchangeable tip, sold separately, to achieve the precision you need. The sturdy, built-in iron stand keeps your workspace safe and organized, while the included cleaning sponge ensures your tip stays in top condition. Although the unit doesn't include a digital temperature readout, the adjustable dial makes it easy to find the right heat setting with a little practice. In testing, leaded solder began flowing smoothly on setting 2, 600 degree F, while lead-free solder performed well at setting 3, 650 degree F, making the higher settings ideal for larger joints or fast heat transfer needs. Whether you're tackling electronics, crafting, or soldering metalwork, the Weller WLC 100 offers dependable heat, excellent value, and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. The Yihua 75 watt soldering and hot air rework station is the ultimate all-in-one solution for electronics enthusiasts, technicians, and makers who need precision, versatility, and reliable performance. Designed for detailed PCB work and small joint soldering projects, this professional-grade station offers both a 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit soldering iron and a 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit hot air gun, making it ideal for assembly, repair, and rework tasks where accuracy is essential. Rated highly for ease of use, 4.5/5, performance, 4.75/5, and value, 4.75/5, the Yihua station stands out as a feature-rich package that goes far beyond basic soldering kits. Inside the box, you'll find 10 interchangeable soldering tips, a hot air rework gun, a voltmeter for circuit testing, and a desoldering pump for removing excess or liquefied solder. Yihua even includes a roll of lead-free solder, giving you everything you need to get started immediately. In testing, soldering temperatures proved accurate, with leaded solder flowing smoothly at 600 degrees Fahrenheit and lead-free solder at 650 degrees Fahrenheit. While the hot air gun could benefit from a more precise nozzle for ultra-delicate fixes, it still performed well, quickly liquefying solder for clean removal. The station's flexible cord, sturdy iron stand, and intuitive digital controls make operation comfortable and efficient. For crafters, this setup may be more tool than necessary, but for anyone working in electronics repair, assembly, or rework, the Yihua offers exceptional capability and unmatched value in a single package. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. Take your metalworking projects to the next level with the Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith Soldering Torch, a compact yet powerful torch capable of reaching temperatures up to 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the tip used. Rated highly for ease of use, 4.75/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.5/5, this torch is a favorite among jewelers, silversmiths, and craft metal workers who need intense, controlled heat for precision work. The Smith torch includes a number 00 soldering tip, perfect for fine, detailed soldering on silver, copper, and gold pieces. While it's not designed for delicate electronics or PCBs due to its extreme heat output, it excels in jewelry making, small metal fabrication, and even light plumbing tasks when used at lower flame settings. This system requires an acetylene tank, sold separately, and setup is straightforward. The included flexible hose, pressure gauges, and manual striker make it easy to regulate acetylene flow and safely ignite the torch. Once the tank is connected, the torch automatically mixes the proper oxygen ratio for a clean, efficient burn. Smith recommends operating at 12 to 14 psi, allowing for smooth temperature control through the handle's adjustable flame knob. During testing, the torch performed flawlessly with silver solder, which begins to flow around 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. After applying flux and positioning the solder, the flame delivered rapid, even heat, allowing the solder to wick cleanly through seams in seconds. Ideal for handcrafted jewelry, detailed metalwork, or copper pipe soldering, the Smith Silversmith torch is a reliable, high-heat solution for makers who need precision and power. Just remember to shut off the gas at the tank after each use. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W soldering station is designed to make soldering projects faster, easier, and more enjoyable for hobbyists, makers, and electronics enthusiasts. With a powerful 75W heating element, this soldering iron reaches temperatures from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 30 seconds, giving you rapid, reliable heat whenever you need it. The bright digital temperature display ensures easy monitoring, making precise soldering work more consistent and stress-free. One of the standout features of this station is its integrated dual helping hands system. These adjustable clamps securely hold your workpiece in place, freeing both hands so you can focus on feeding solder and positioning the iron. Whether you're soldering delicate electronic components, joining metal pieces at specific angles, or stabilizing awkward parts, these helping hands provide much-needed stability and precision. The station also includes a dedicated holder for a tip cleaner, sold separately, along with a built-in wet sponge tray for maintaining a clean, high-performing soldering tip. Since the kit does not come with extra tips, keeping the included tip clean is essential for long-term performance. Perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, well-designed soldering setup, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC delivers excellent heat control, user-friendly features, and professional quality performance. Whether you're assembling electronics, repairing cables, or tackling intricate DIY projects, this soldering station provides the precision and convenience needed to get the job done right. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus 75W digital soldering station is an excellent choice for DIYers, hobbyists, and technicians who prefer working with lead-free solder and need reliable heat, control, and consistency. This digital contact soldering station delivers a wide temperature range of 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, providing more than enough heat to liquefy lead-free solder quickly and cleanly. To get you started right away, Yihua conveniently includes a roll of lead-free solder directly in the kit. Designed with versatility in mind, the 939D Plus comes with 3 interchangeable and replaceable soldering tips, allowing you to choose the best tip for precision electronics, medium-sized joints, or small metal repairs. Once the tips reach the end of their lifespan, they can be easily replaced to ensure continued top-tier performance. The kit also features a soldering tip cleaner, which is essential for achieving clean, strong, lead-free solder joints. Regular cleaning improves heat transfer, prevents oxidation, and extends the life of your soldering tips. This model is essentially a streamlined version of Yihua's larger soldering/rework station, offering the same strong heating capabilities but without the hot air rework tool or voltmeter. For users who don't require a full rework suite, the 939D Plus offers outstanding value without unnecessary extras. Perfect for electronics repair, hobby projects, cable assemblies, and intricate DIY work, the Yihua 939D Plus gives you professional performance at an affordable price, making it a smart pick for anyone who wants a dependable, lead-free ready soldering station.